Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are Autumn Haze patrons. You can easily download from the link in the description. Just need to click this link and you will come to this website bulk GFX, and here you can download it. And this is about template, and this is mineral file, so you need to extract this and let it extract. After extracting, you will get this folder, and there are Illustrator format, JPG, high quality images you can check out, and these are same thing in Adobe Illustrator format. Let's open it. So these are other formats: Illustrator, Patron, every pattern has named pattern 37, pattern 23, and similar like data. You can also get many other graphic templates data from the website bulk GFX. You can download easily. This template is free of cost. Every template on this website is now free of cost for now. And thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Take care.